Hey, what's going on, folks? It's Brian, and we're doing a small bench update connected to a large, um, no, get that out of your mind, a large mail call. That's the word we're looking for, mail call. So let's get started, and we're going to start off first here with Mr. Michael Dreyfus over at Scale Speedworks. He sent us one of his cards, and I'm sorry I'm blocking your email address there. But we did a shop card swap with Mike, and Mike has some very kind words on the back for us, and we greatly appreciate those, Mike, and very happy to support your channel as well, sir. Well, thank you for that. And then we're going all the way up to Canada to say hi to Mark Mortel. So I'm going to show you the envelope. No, I'm showing you the card. So he has an awesome shop card, and I pulled this out of the envelope. I'm like, this is sweet. Oh my God, this is cool. So I turned it over on the backside just to see it was on the backside, and bam, another shop card on the backside. This one is awesome. So thank you very, very much, Mark. And he also had a little sticker in there, which will go onto the Toolbox of Fame. Ooh. So thank you very much, sir. On to back down to Florida to say hi to Mr. Papa Dan. He sent us his new shop card. And again, Dan, you know what, man, Dan and I are pretty good buds. We talk at least a couple times a week, especially when paint jobs aren't coming out well. So so there's that. But he also sent us a nice decal as well, and that of course is going to go on the Toolbox of Fame. So thank you, Dan. And then on to the cut to grass for the shop cards. Our buddy Ajax over at Rattle Can Shenanigans, and I have been waiting for a shop card from this guy all my days, because he does excellent work, and I knew he was going to come up with some pretty sweet stuff. So not only did we get one shop card from him, which is pretty awesome, not only did we get two shop cards from him, which is also pretty awesome, we got three shop cards from him. So it's pick your poison when it comes to that, and this one is by far my favorite because of the patina on there. In his video on this, he says, I think I may have carried it a little too far, and I'm like, no, you didn't. No, you didn't. And a decal. So thank you very much, Ajax. I appreciate that greatly, sir. And we actually have met Ajax at the NNL West back in 2019, I think it was. Very cool guy, good, fun to talk to, and look forward to hanging out with him again sometime in the near future, I hope. So, on to what's going on with the bench. Not much. Big rig group build, still in the box. Haven't had a chance to get to that yet. Eggplane group build, still in the box. I mean, Munchkin Modeling Man actually contacted me yesterday. Are you still alive? I said, yeah, I'm still alive. Okay, we just haven't heard from you. Wanted to make sure you're all right. I'm like, no, we got family in town. We got friends in town. Apparently the month of April is the last month you can do stuff here in Arizona before it gets too hot. So we're trying to get everything done we can before we go into our heat lockdown. And then at the very, very end of everything, we have three model shows we're going to be going to in a week span. So that's going to be it's going to be fun for us. The wallet's not going to like it too much, but it's going to be fun for us. But another part of the mail call here, we did the shop cards, but we're going to show you something here real quick. I'm just going to take this off there because we got something in the mail just the other day. Ta-da! Look at that, huh? A good friend of ours from the Pacific Northwest sent us these kits because he said that he had heard us say that we were very excited about possibly doing some more 1999 999 stuff, and he had these that he wasn't going to build, so he gifted those to us. So you know who you are, sir. Thank you very much for the awesome gift. This is going to get built probably before the big rig gets done, but no, seriously, in all seriousness, no, thank you very much. I appreciate that. That was something you did not need to do, but we really do appreciate that. And then at a model club meeting, at the Mafia meeting, that was just, I think a week ago Saturday, we actually picked up a nice little set of wheels. So these guys are pretty cool. So it's a dragster set. I'm really looking forward to trying these out on possibly, I don't know, a 32 build. Not the one I'm working on right now, but maybe a future one. After working on this 32 kit here, even though it has a little issue with the trunk and stuff, I think I've got 32 fever. Yeah, I was putting off working on those because I knew I was going to get addicted, and now we have that Revell 32 kit, the street rod kit. We have a couple of the High Boy kits now, and two of the 29s, of the original issue of the 29 and the reissue of the 29, and then also we have feelers out for a 30. A friend of ours in the Mafia club says he might have a line on one that's pretty affordable. So I got high hopes for that. So hopefully that'll come through soon. But in the meantime, there isn't much going on here other than running around. We told you before that we had the teenage niece that was staying with us. Well, she came back to stay with us again this last weekend. Apparently, she had broken up with her significant other. There was tears. There was drama. That was just me. I was like, why does this have to happen now? But we got through it. Everything's cool. Back on this, back on track and stuff. So everybody's fine. They got back together again. Teenagers. I don't know. I don't think I ever was one. Anyway, that's going to do it for us. We'll see you in a couple of days or so. Bye now.